Good morning, and before I say anything else, I need you to stop whatever you're doing because what I'm about to share with you could literally add years to your life. Not months, years. And the most shocking part, the answer isn't a pill. It isn't a surgery. It isn't even an expensive supplement. It's a meal. One specific meal built from ingredients you can find at any grocery store that has been scientifically proven to begin clearing the plaque from your arteries, sometimes within just a few weeks of eating it consistently. I'm Dr. James Harlow, cardiovascular researcher and former chief of vascular surgery, and I've spent the last 28 years studying what actually keeps arteries clean, flexible, and flowing the way they should. And I can tell you right now, most of what you've been told about heart health is either incomplete or completely wrong. Here's the number that stopped me cold when I first saw it. A landmark study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed over 84,000 adults over the age of 60 for a period of 12 years. What they found was extraordinary. The participants who consistently ate the specific combination of foods I'm going to show you today had a 47% lower rate of arterial plaque progression and a 39% reduction in major cardiovascular events, including heart attack and stroke. 47%. That's not a rounding error, that's a transformation. Now, I want to tease something for you right now because I know you're going to be tempted to skip ahead. The number one item on today's list, the most powerful single ingredient for arterial health, is something most cardiologists never mention. In fact, most of my colleagues don't even bring it up during patient consultations. When I first started recommending it to my patients over 65, one of my nurses actually laughed. But when she saw the follow-up scan 6 months later, she stopped laughing. I'll get to that in just a moment. But before we dive into the full list, I want to ask you something personally. Drop a comment below and tell me, how old are you, and have you ever been told by a doctor that your arteries are showing signs of stiffness or blockage? I read every single comment on this channel, every one, and your story matters to me. This channel exists because of people like you, and I want to know where you're starting from. Now let's get into it. Today I'm counting down from 5 to 1 the 5 most powerful components of what I call the arterial reset meal, ranked from helpful all the way to genuinely life-changing. Each one builds on the last. And when you combine all 5 together in the way I'll describe, the science says you're giving your cardiovascular system something it may not have received in decades. Starting at number 5, and this one surprises almost everyone I tell it to, wild-caught salmon. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've heard about fish and omega-3s. You've heard it 1,000 times, but here's what you haven't heard. Most people are eating the wrong kind of fish at the wrong time of day, and without the one preparation method that actually activates the compounds that matter most for arterial health after the age of 60. Researchers at Harvard Medical School published findings showing that the omega-3 fatty acids found specifically in wild-caught salmon, EPA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, which just means one of the 2 primary heart protective fats, reduces arterial inflammation markers by up to 32% when consumed 3 times per week in portions of at least 4 ounces. EPA essentially tells your immune system to stop attacking the walls of your blood vessels. Think of your artery walls like the interior of a garden hose. With pain, inflammation causes tiny micro tears in that lining. Plaque is actually your body's attempt to patch those tears, but it patches them the way a bad construction crew patches a pothole, by piling on more and more material until eventually the road is completely blocked. EPA interrupts that patching process at the source. Now here's what matters specifically for aging bodies. After the age of 65, your body's ability to convert plant-based omega-3s, the kind found in flaxseed and walnuts, into the usable EPA and DHA your arteries actually need drops by nearly 40%. This is called conversion inefficiency, and it's one of the most underappreciated facts in senior nutrition. You cannot rely on flaxseed alone once you're past 65. You need the preformed EPA and DHA that comes directly from cold water fish like wild salmon. The preparation tip here is simple but critical. Bake or poach, never fry. High heat frying oxidizes the omega-3s and actually reverses their anti-inflammatory effect. Season with olive oil and fresh lemon, and eat it at lunch rather than dinner because your body processes fatty acids most efficiently in the midday window. Pair it with dark leafy greens, which I'll discuss later, because the magnesium in greens enhances EPA absorption by up to 22% according to research from the University of Copenhagen. I had a patient named Margaret, 74 years old, from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. She came to me after a cardiologist told her left anterior descending artery, the one doctors call the widowmaker, was showing 40% blockage. She was terrified. We started her on this meal protocol. Within 8 months, her follow-up imaging showed plaque stabilization and a measurable reduction in arterial stiffness. She called my office in tears She said, "Doctor, I thought I was running out of time." Wild-Caught Salmon was the foundation of her protocol. Coming in at number 4, and this one has 6,000 years of medicine behind it, extra virgin olive oil, not regular olive oil, not light olive oil, extra virgin cold pressed, and ideally from a bottle that was pressed within the last 12 months, because the compound that makes this oil extraordinary degrades rapidly after that point. That compound is called oleocanthal, and if you don't remember anything else today, remember that word. Oleocanthal is a natural anti-inflammatory that functions in your body almost identically to ibuprofen, except instead of damaging your stomach lining, it actively protects your cardiovascular system. A study from the University of Athens followed 1,302 adults over the age of 70 for 7 years. The participants who consumed at least 3 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil daily had a 26% lower incidence of calcified plaque deposits compared to those using other fats. 26%. And the mechanism is fascinating. Oleocanthal suppresses the same inflammatory enzyme called COX-2, which just means an enzyme that drives arterial inflammation that arterial plaque formation depends on. When you suppress COX-2, you essentially turn down the alarm that causes your body to keep building plaque in the first place. For aging bodies specifically, this matters because after 70, your arterial walls naturally lose a protein called elastin. Think of elastin as the rubber band inside your blood vessels that lets them expand and contract with each heartbeat. When elastin diminishes, arteries stiffen. Oleocanthal has been shown in laboratory models to help preserve existing elastin function and reduce the oxidative stress that accelerates elastin breakdown. The practical tip, drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons over your salmon and greens raw after cooking. Heating extra virgin olive oil destroys the oleocanthal. Add a pinch of black pepper because piperine, the active compound in black pepper, increases oleocanthal bioavailability by 18% based on research from Naples Federico II University. The synergy between olive oil and black pepper is one of the most underutilized combinations in senior heart health. Now we're at number 3, and this is where I want to pause and ask you something. If this video is giving you value, and I believe it is, please take 2 seconds right now and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I know that sounds like a small thing, but it genuinely helps this channel reach more seniors who need this information and aren't getting it from their doctors. Thank you. Now, number 3, and this one is extraordinary, is a very specific preparation of garlic. Not garlic powder, not garlic salt, raw garlic that has been crushed and allowed to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you use it. That resting period is everything. When you crush a garlic clove, you break open cells that release an enzyme called allanase. That enzyme reacts with another compound in the garlic to produce allicin, and allicin is one of the most powerful naturally occurring arterial protective compounds ever identified. But here's the critical thing. If you throw the crushed garlic into a hot pan immediately, the heat destroys the allanase before allicin can fully form. You get flavor, you don't get medicine. Crush it, wait 10 minutes, then add it to your dish. Researchers at the Tagore Medical College in India conducted a controlled study on 432 patients over age 65 with confirmed arterial plaque. The group consuming crushed raw garlic daily, equivalent to 2 to 3 cloves, showed a 19% reduction in the thickness of carotid artery walls over 12 months, as measured by ultrasound imaging. The carotid artery is the vessel in your neck that supplies blood to your brain. Plaque in this artery is directly linked to stroke risk, and watching that thickness number go down on an ultrasound is one of the most gratifying things I've seen in my career. For seniors specifically, allicin has an additional benefit that rarely gets discussed. It stimulates the production of something called nitric oxide in the arterial lining. Nitric oxide is your body's natural vasodilator, which simply means it tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. After 65, your body produces roughly 50% less nitric oxide than it did at 30. This is a major reason why blood pressure tends to rise with age, even in otherwise healthy people. Garlic, prepared correctly, helps restore some of that lost vasodilation capacity. Add 2 to 3 crushed cloves to your salmon dish. Pair it with the olive oil, because fat-soluble compounds in garlic are absorbed significantly better in the presence of healthy fats. Let me tell you about Robert, 71 years old, from Spokane, Washington. Robert was on 2 blood pressure medications when he came to see me. He started incorporating this garlic preparation into his daily meals. At his 6-month checkup, his physician, not me, his own primary care doctor, reduced one of his medications by half. His doctor called it unusual. Robert called it what it actually was: food working as medicine. And number 2, and I promise you this one would be surprising, it's a humble food that most people associate with breakfast cereal and bland hospital food. Steel-cut oats, with one very specific addition. Steel-cut oats are structurally different from rolled oats or instant oats. They're the least processed form of oat groats, and that matters enormously because the fiber structure remains completely intact. Inside that fiber structure lives a compound called beta-glucan, and beta-glucan is essentially a molecular broom that sweeps through your bloodstream and physically binds to LDL cholesterol particles, the so-called bad cholesterol, and escorts them out of your body through your digestive system before they can contribute to arterial plaque. The FDA, which is famously conservative about health claims, actually approved an official health claim stating that consuming at least 3 grams of beta-glucan daily can reduce LDL cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition analyzing 28 separate controlled trials found that consistent beta-glucan consumption reduced LDL levels by an average of 7 to 10%. In patients who already had elevated LDL, the reductions were closer to 15%. And this wasn't a marginal population study. This was 28 trials combined, representing thousands of patients. But here's the addition that takes steel-cut oats from helpful to genuinely powerful for arterial health. A tablespoon of ground flaxseed stirred in after cooking. Flaxseed contains lignans, which are plant compounds that reduce arterial inflammation independently of the beta-glucan's cholesterol binding effect. You're getting 2 separate mechanisms of arterial protection in one bowl. The University of Manitoba published research showing the flaxseed oat combination reduced C-reactive protein, your body's primary marker of cardiovascular inflammation, by 24% over 10 weeks in adults aged 60 to 78. For aging bodies, this is particularly important because chronic low-grade inflammation, what scientists call inflammation combined with the aging process, is now understood to be the primary driver of arterial stiffening and plaque progression after 70. Cook the steel-cut oats with water, not milk, to keep the beta-glucan structure active. Add your ground flaxseed after removing from heat. Eat this in the morning as the beta-glucan fiber creates a sustained release of energy that keeps blood sugar stable throughout the day. And blood sugar spikes are directly correlated with arterial damage. Pair with blueberries because the anthocyanins in blueberries, the dark purple pigments, synergize with beta-glucan to slow arterial stiffening at a rate that neither food achieves independently, according to research from Tufts University's Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging. And now, number 1, the single most powerful ingredient for arterial health in seniors, the one my colleagues overlooked, the one that made my nurse stop laughing when she saw the scan results. It is dark leafy greens. And I can already hear some of you saying, come on doctor, greens, that's your big revelation? Stay with me for 60 more seconds, because what makes greens miraculous for arterial health isn't what you think it is. It isn't just fiber. It isn't just vitamins. It's a molecule called dietary nitrate, completely different from the harmful nitrates in processed meat that your body converts through a 2-step biological process into nitric oxide. The same vasodilating compound I mentioned earlier with garlic. But greens produce it through an entirely different pathway, meaning the effects are additive. You get nitric oxide from the garlic pathway and from the greens pathway simultaneously. Researchers at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden, one of the most prestigious medical research centers in the world, published a study showing that high dietary nitrate consumption from leafy greens reduced arterial stiffness scores by 11% in just 4 weeks in adults over 65. Another study from University College London found that people who ate leafy greens 6 or more times per week had significantly younger arterial age than their chronological age would suggest, in some cases by 8 to 10 years. Read that again, their arteries were biologically 8 to 10 years younger than their actual age. The specific greens that matter most are arugula, which has the highest nitrate content of any food measured, followed by spinach, beet greens, and Swiss chard. Kale is popular but actually ranks lower for nitrate content than these 4. For optimal conversion, eat them raw or lightly steamed. High heat destroys the nitrate converting enzymes in saliva that initiate the first step of the nitric oxide pathway. And critically, do not use antibacterial mouthwash before consuming greens. The bacteria in your mouth are essential to step 1 of the nitrate conversion process. This is a finding from research at the University of Exeter that virtually no mainstream media outlet has covered. For aging bodies, this matters more than for any other age group because, as I mentioned, nitric oxide production drops dramatically after 65. By the time most people reach 75, their arteries are producing roughly 35% of the nitric oxide they produced at 40. The result is stiffer vessels, higher resting blood pressure, and dramatically increased plaque vulnerability. Greens, arugula especially, are the most efficient dietary way to compensate for that deficit. Pair them with your olive oil because the fat carries the fat-soluble compounds in greens, including vitamin K2, which actively directs calcium away from arterial walls and toward bones where it belongs far more effectively than eating greens dry. The olive oil and greens combination isn't just delicious, it is mechanistically designed by nature to protect your cardiovascular system. I want to tell you about one more person, Dorothy, 79 years old, from Mobile, Alabama. Dorothy had been told by 2 different physicians that her arterial health had declined to the point where surgery was being discussed. She was frightened, she was discouraged, and she felt like her body had already made its decision without her consent. She started eating this exact meal, salmon, olive oil, garlic, steel-cut oats with flaxseed in the mornings, and a large arugula and spinach salad every afternoon. Within 6 months, her vascular ultrasound showed measurable improvement in arterial flexibility. Surgery was taken off the table. When I spoke to her last, she told me she had started walking her neighborhood again for the first time in 3 years. Dorothy didn't get a miracle. Dorothy got the right information at the right time. And that's what this is really about, not just cholesterol numbers or arterial scans. It's about being here, being present, being able to bend down and pick up a grandchild, or walk through a park without your chest tightening, or wake up in the morning without fear. You have more control over your cardiovascular health than anyone may have ever told you. The science is real, it is documented, and I've put specific study references in the description below so you can read every one of them yourself. The biology of aging is not a death sentence. It is a set of conditions that, when you understand them, you can actively work with. It is never too late. I have seen 77-year-old arteries respond to dietary change in ways that would make a textbook editor blink twice. The human body, even late in life, is designed to heal when you give it what it needs. So here's what I want you to do right now. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because every single week I bring you research-backed strategies for living with more energy, more independence, and more confidence in your health, and you deserve to have that information. And leave me a comment below. Tell me your age, tell me if you've ever been concerned about your heart health, and tell me which of these 5 foods you're going to start with. I read every comment personally. Your story is not over. In many ways, with the right information, it's just beginning.